Founded in 1986, Tendency boasts an excellent management team. Its products include ANS1, BHMA-certified commercial hinges, UL-certified spring hinges, and CE-certified stainless steel hinges. Tendency is not only ISO 9001 quality system certified, but has also obtained certifications from internationally recognized authorities. Generally, cold-rolled steel sheets, stainless steel sheets, and sheet metal are prepared according to product specifications. Shearing machines or punch presses are used to cut the sheet metal to the specified dimensions. Multiple processes such as punching, edge bending, embossing, and forming are completed using molds. Weld or rivet the central shaft or pins to the hinge pieces. Assemble the left and right flaps with the pins to ensure smooth opening and closing. Deburring, grinding, straightening, remove stamping burrs to ensure smooth edges and correct deformation. Common processes include galvanizing, nickel plating, spray painting, baking paint, wire drawing, and oxidation to improve rust resistance and aesthetics. Check the smoothness of opening and closing, dimensional accuracy, and electroplating quality. Packaging methods such as plastic bags, color boxes, and cartons are used according to customer requirements. Finished products are shipped according to orders after being warehoused. Tendency consistently adheres to reasonable pricing, high-quality products, and excellent service. We are committed to developing together with our customers and achieving mutual benefit. Thank you.